let's discuss what we discussed yesterday as part of our prediction and what happened in the market before we go into tomorrow's analysis. So what happened in market today? Market opened flat. What did we discuss? We wanted a closure below this. Did a closure happen? No. So what is this? This is nothing but a liquidity sweep. Market came down, did not give a closure, but just gave a wick and closed above. We have told in several videos in our past that whenever this happens, there are high chances of market reversal. So this is what has happened in the market, and market was almost no movement for more than 2 to 3 hours. There was no movement after this move. After this big move, there was literally no movement in the market, and market gave a closure below our levels almost at 2 o'clock. Okay, so when this happens at 2 o'clock, I am not interested in trading anymore for the day. This is what you have to have as a rule also. We have to have setups being built between 10 to 1. Always look at the market after 10 o'clock and see what happens. How is the market reacting? The market is not going to go anywhere. Many good trades will happen after 10:30 itself. So make a rule that you always trade only after 10:30 and make sure that you always trade only on your setups. So why am I saying this? If you have a proper defined rule, then there are high chances of you being successful in the market. So moving on, for tomorrow, the discussion is going to be simple. Since we got a closure and a pullback, if market is going to react from this supply itself, because market came back and tapped into the supply, if we get a closure here, opening flat, then on immediate pullbacks, I'm going to take the market even below this. Why am I taking the market even below this? Because there is a lot of liquidity out here. It's all a liquidity which is sitting out here. So there are high chances this liquidity will be hunted and market will go all the way to the next open demand, which is situated somewhere around 25,980 range or 26,000 range, which is a round number, meaning like psychological support level. Okay, so tomorrow is an expiry. Make sure your quantity size is low, and if you wanted to trade, make sure you trade in the next expiry. Okay, and this is for opening flat and coming down. Opening flat and going up is even more better. Why is it even more better? Because there is an extreme supply which is left open, and in 1 minute time frame, if I get a reaction from this extreme supply, I am interested to take the market down. Make sure that you target at least till 120 being this liquidity pool, because market can sweep here and can reverse because tomorrow is being an expiry. So keeping the video short, please do comment, subscribe and like the video. Thank you so much. We'll meet in the next educational video.